This video will explain the business model radar and how it can be used. The business model radar is a template to support the design of networked or collaborative business models. In such business models, value is co-created by means of the collective efforts of stakeholders involved. Therefore, it is important to understand and decide on how value is captured and shared, and who does what. Filling in the business model radar starts from the circle in the middle. This circle states the co-created value in use. In this circle you map the value that your innovation or solution creates for a specific customer or end user. The co-created value in use is the product of the collaboration between you and other stakeholders involved. The customer segment should be indicated for the yellow pie slice. This segment should fit your co-created value in use. Note that different business models can have different customer segments. The pink pie slice represents the orchestrator. It acts as the interface to the customer segment and typically provides the innovation or service to the customer. Next, the remaining partners can be mapped. This is done by plotting the partners on the respective pie slice. Each pie slice therefore represents a stakeholder in the business model. Once all stakeholders have been mapped, the inner ring, the actor value propositions, can be filled in. This captures the contribution each stakeholder has for the business model. Consequently, the actor co-production activity ring is filled in. This ring captures the activities, capabilities and resources that each stakeholder employs to create value. It should help the stakeholder to realize its indicated value proposition. Lastly, the actor cost and benefit ring should be filled in. This ring captures what costs and benefits each stakeholder generates through participation. Exchanges of costs and benefits between partners can take place. Costs and benefits can be financial in nature, but could also reflect environmental or social aspects. The distribution of costs and benefits provides an indication of whether the business model is viable. In a collaborative business model, each stakeholder should be better off through participation. Designing and evaluating the business model design should motivate stakeholders to start collaborating together and to commit in doing so. It provides the starting point for further realization and sustainable exploitation of new innovations. We illustrate the use of the business model radar by means of an example. In this example, a business model is designed for a smart farming service to improve their soil conditions and to optimize the use of resources such as fertilizer or water. Accordingly, the co-created value proposition is sustainable and financially beneficial farming practices. The customer segment for this business model are medium and big farms, who will use the smart farming solution and benefit from this co-created value. To realize this solution in practice, the collaborative efforts of several partners are needed. In this case, three actors are involved: ITC, KGZS and Thermodron. KGZS is the orchestrator for the business model. It offers the service to the customers and integrates the efforts of ITC and Thermodron. It provides advice on sustainable farming and helps to build communities. This is captured as part of its value proposition, as well as its actor activities. ITC and Thermodron are core partners in this model. ITC collects data captured at farmers and integrates this as part of an online platform. It also supports communication and analysis. One can see that this matches the actor value proposition and actor activities. Thermodron is responsible for the generation of data at farmers through drones. It also creates prescription maps for fertilizer use based on drone imaging. As a result of these activities, it provides a value proposition in terms of data-driven advice and technical support. In terms of costs and benefits, the customer pays a service fee to KGZS. In return, it is able to use the service and reduce fertilizers and optimize product quality. KGZS uses this fee to pay for the efforts of ITC and Thermodron. It generates costs in terms of operations to provide the service, but also benefits from knowledge generation, as well as access to subsidies. Thermodron and ITC receive a fee from KGZS for their activities. They generate costs in terms of operations, but can learn through this business model on how their services can be improved. Through this structure, all stakeholders are better off through participation. The business model is therefore valid and can serve as the basis for further collaboration. Feeling inspired? Check out our other videos if you want to know which other tools can help you in designing your business model.